One of the most common problems with performance with your wood burning unit is that there's too much moisture in your wood. To test this, Friendly Fire stocks and sells moisture meters where you can check the moisture content of your wood. In order to do this, you must split your wood in half and test the inside. If you test the outside of your wood, the readings will come up as 0. But when you freshly chop a piece of wood and test the inside, it'll show a higher moisture content. This is showing very high moisture content, so this probably needs another year to dry. When you split a dry piece of wood, it shows almost next to 0 moisture in this wood. So this wood is ready to burn, and this one needs at least another year to dry. There's a wide variety of moisture meters on the market. They all work generally the same, have the same functions. Friendly Fire stocks and sells this brand of moisture meter, and you can find it in the link in the bio or the description below.